Are you looking for a quick and safe solution to refill AdiBlue? Dive into the Pusey universe with Flipper, the mobile trolley for AdiBlue. Hi everybody and welcome to our video oil news. I'm Tania Benassi of the Export Sales Department and I'm here to present our latest solution for those who need a handy system to switch from manual to electric operation. Flipper by Pusey is specifically engineered to meet the demand for daily use in garages and workshops. It is a complete kit and compatible with all vehicles. It is sturdy and functional to guarantee the best performances. If we should list the key features of this product, for sure we would say ready for use, which means you have just to plug the system and start the pump. Flexible, to suit every application. Automatic, which means that you don't need to move tanks, but just turn on the system to have a safe and clean refill. Fully compliant to specific sector requirement. Save money and time. Just insert the nozzle into the vehicle's tank and wait a few minutes. It's done! Now, let's focus on the key elements of this dispenser, starting from the pump. Flipper is equipped with Suzzara Blue Pump AC version. It is a diaphragm pump equipped with electric motor without any dynamic seals. It is made of polypropylene, both body and diaphragm, and is completed by a sturdy fixing plate allowing multi-purpose applications. It works with a duty cycle of 20 minutes, up to 32 liters per minute flow rate. To deliver the AdiBlue safely and without any problem, we have added a special version of the SB325 X-Meter nozzle. It has a shorter spout adapted for passenger's car flow rate, a specific equipment engineered for this kind of applications. The SB325X car is a specific AdiBlue filling nozzle that integrates the precision performance of the K24 meter with the technical characteristics of the SB325X. The AdiBlue may be contaminated during storage and transfer operations. Our 3D filter filters any dirt present in the fluid to preserve the SCR system of all vehicles. The transparent casing made of high-tech technopolymer material allows you to see the filter dirt clearly and replace the cartridge at the right time. Flipper comes with a 4-meter power cable for easy use throughout the workshop. It is really very easy to use. Just imagine we have a car here. You have just to plug the system to the power socket and turn on the pump. Then pull the trigger and start the refill operation. While you are refilling the vehicle, you can keep track of how much fluid you have already dispensed thanks to the meter integrated in the nozzle. Done! What are you waiting for? Stop using manual AdiBlue tanks in your garage. Upgrade to Flipper by getting in touch with our local dealer or with Pusey. And remember, choose Pusey means to choose quality, safety and reliability. Thank you for the attention and hope to see you soon. Ciao!